I've tested all kinds of smart lights, from LEDs that go on your home to strips that go on your wall, but this is the first time I've hung lights like a curtain. After spending a few weeks with the new Govee Curtain Lights 2, I think you should add these to your short list of good smart home buys. The $150 Govee Curtain Lights 2 are just what they sound like. Smart lights that resemble a curtain. That makes them pretty versatile. After all, you can hang them anywhere you have room. On a wall, potentially over a doorway, even outdoors thanks to its IP65 rating. They're plain RGB, no warm whites here, and you get 520 LEDs across a span of 5 feet by 6.5 feet. Setup is pretty easy. You have small hangers that you can either attach to a wall through double-sided sticky tape or by a hook. Once you have one set in place, the top piece of a curtain slips right in. Then just move on to the next and the next. One oddity is plug placement. You have a box which contains the smarts of the devices that's just a few inches off the last LED. So you'll need to either stick it to the wall with the provided tape or somehow hang it. It somewhat detracts from the overall aesthetic. That leads to the rest of the power cord, with a control box that's far enough away it can lay on the floor even when the curtains are hung high enough that they don't touch the floor themselves. Your first decision, though, is which direction you want the plug to face. That matters for two reasons. The first is obviously outlet placement. If your space has an outlet off to the right, you probably want the plug to come from the right side of the curtains. But the other thing to keep in mind is that it also changes the direction the LEDs want to face. When you choose that right plug configuration, the LEDs will mostly face the wall, and that reduces the brightness quite a bit. It still gets very bright though, even in that configuration. So bright that I turned them off when watching a show on my projector, as my curtain lights managed to wash out the screen during dark scenes. Govee also includes additional pieces in the box to straighten the LEDs. They want to face a certain way, but to get that curtain effects, Govee used pretty flexible wire for each line, and they do have a tendency to twist and turn. These little pieces give everything a more uniform look. This is the second version of Govee's curtain lights, of course, so you may be wondering what's different. I don't have the original curtain lights, so I can only tell you what's on paper. They're the same size and have the same number of LEDs, so the changes seem to be more with what the software can do. This set has Matter compatibility, if that matters to you. But Govee's real focus is a new AI generator option. With the original curtains, you could use pre-built scenes or finger sketch your own designs, but that could be kind of limited. By the way, don't limit yourself to just one of my videos. Hit that subscribe button while you're here. When you're creating something for the curtains, it's best to think of it like 8-bit design. You'll never be able to draw the Mona Lisa, but with the help of the AI bot, well, okay, you can't do that one either. I tried several times. It always looked terrible. And that's down to a limitation with these lights and, well, LEDs in general. You can't do black with light, and browns are out of the mix too. But if what you want is something with bright colors, the AI bot might be able to draw it for you. It did pretty decent at Pikachu, for instance, and Sonic the Hedgehog for that matter. But it's still AI and easily confused. We tried to have it draw Bluey, but it couldn't figure that out and we had to do it ourselves. When you do work around those limitations, it's easy to come up with designs that look great and add something to your room or outdoor space. It's helpful that the AI seems to have a basic understanding of what's possible with these lights, though sometimes even it tries to do too much. With that AI though, you can quickly redecorate for every holiday, from Halloween to Christmas to Mother's Day. That's assuming you don't like the pre-built holiday themes. And if you aren't having luck with the AI bot, you can actually try other people's creations, but I do have to throw in a warning there. To help you explore designs other people have made, Govee created a system where people can upload videos with audio to demonstrate those designs. You can probably see where this is going. The first 5 or 6 videos I found had the curtains next to a TV, playing videos filled with cursing, screaming, violence, and worse. I was just glad I didn't open that feature with my young child watching. Govee's app does let you report these videos, and yes, this is apparently rampant enough that they have a not safe for work option right up front. So just be aware. I mean, after all, think about it. You can draw anything on these curtains. Anything. Setting that low TTP downside to the side, what I did discover is it gives you access to pretty amazing scenes created by other users. I quickly found myself wanting more curtains. That's because I saw some pretty great creations, including one of Jack and Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas that required 3 sets of curtains but looked so good. Even some of Govee's designs apparently call for multiple curtains. If you don't want to mess around with AI or finger sketching, you can also upload photos or even GIFs. But keep in mind that something ultra high resolution may not translate well to this format of lights. The closer it is to a retro 8-bit design look, the better. Beyond those new AI features and matter support, there isn't a lot different between the original curtains and the new curtains too. On the one hand, that means if you already own Govee curtains, you don't have much reason to upgrade. What you have now is probably good enough. On the other hand, if you don't have any right now and you do buy a new set, all the designs users created for the original curtains, by hand without AI, will work with your new curtains. You won't be starting from scratch, so there is that benefit. To be honest, I wasn't sold on the idea of curtain lights going into this review. I still don't think they're perfect. Some of Govee's pre-built scenes aren't that great, and when they're off, the curtain lights are kind of ugly on your wall. But the moment they're turned on, I get it. My whole family did. My son had tons of fun trying out AI designs. Yes, he's the one that immediately wanted Sonic the Hedgehog. If you're looking for a new set of fun lights that are different than boring smart bulbs, these $150 Govee curtain lights should be on your short list. If you buy a multi-pack, you'll even get discounted prices at $260 for 2 curtains or $400 for 3. You can buy them at Govee sites or Amazon starting today. That's it for now, but until next time, bye!